Good morning, students. Welcome back to maths class. Students, as you know, coronavirus is still around us. So today, one more time, I am going to brush up your memory. So observe and listen each and every point very, very carefully. The first one is symptoms and risk factors. Symptoms, in one we have symptoms. Number first is fever, cough, shortness of breath. शॉर्टनेस ऑफ ब्रीथ मीन्स बेटा सांस लेने में बड़ी मुश्किल होने लग जाती है, हमें सांस नहीं आता है। अगर किसी पर्सन को कोरोना वायरस है ना तो उसको शॉर्टनेस ऑफ ब्रीथ हो जाता है, कफ होता है, फीवर होता है। ये तीनों सिम्टम्स हैं जो मेन सिम्टम्स हैं कोरोना वायरस के। नेक्स्ट, रिस्क फैक्टर्स, किनको ज्यादा रिस्क है? नंबर वन, यंग वंस, नंबर टू, ओल्डर एज, एंड नंबर थ्री, अंडरलाइंग क्रॉनिक मेडिकल कंडीशन। अगर किसी को पर्सन हु इज इन्फेक्टेड विद बीपी, हाई ब्लड प्रेशर और शुगर और एनी कैंसर पेशेंट्स, in these kind of persons the risk is very much high. So next point is it takes approximately 2 to 14 days, median 5 days for an infected person to show symptoms. अगर किसी को कोरोना वायरस है तो इट डजंट मीन्स कि उसको फर्स्ट डे ही सिम्टम हो जाएंगे। शो ये वाले हैं जो फीवर, कफ, शॉर्टनेस ऑफ ब्रीथ। इट टेक्स अप्रोक्सीमेटली 2 to 14 days to show these kind of symptoms: fever, high cough or shortness of breath. Next is precautions to be taken against COVID-19. Number one is when you feel cough or sneeze, do it with your bent elbow. Don't use your hand to cough or sneeze. Always use your bent elbow. Avoid touching your eyes, nose, and mouth. Don't touch your eyes, nose, and mouth with your hands. Wash your hands frequently. This is very important. If you find that someone is coughing or sneezing, then maintain a distance of at least 1 meter with that person. अगर आपको कहीं पे भी आप जाते हो या आपको लगता है आपके नियर बाय जहाँ पे आप रहते हो कोई पर्सन कफ और स्नीज कर रहा है, तो अवॉइड टू मीट with him or her or maintain a distance of at least 1 meter with that person. Whenever you are going outside, always carry a small bottle of sanitizer with you and always wear mask. This is very much compulsory. Whenever you are going outside, don't forget to wear mask. Mask is very important, and also carry one bottle of sanitizer with you. Avoid to go those places where gathering is excess. So stay at your home and avoid to go to the market or any other places where you will observe excess gathering. Next, how can we boost our immunity? How can we increase our immunity to fight against this coronavirus? Number one is drink up to 8 to 10 glasses of lukewarm water every day. This is very important. वैसे भी बेटा अभी विंटर स्टार्ट हो गया है तो अवॉइड ड्रिंकिंग कोल्ड ड्रिंक्स एंड कोल्ड वाटर. Start drinking lukewarm water every day Fine. Next, try to exercise daily for 30 minutes. Observe the picture, jumping jacks, push-ups, sit-up, squats, anyone, your wish, but try to exercise daily for 30 minutes. Exercise will help you to increase your immunity. Next is very important point. Look at the picture. Take healthy diet. Prefer to take the items in food that contains vitamin C to increase our immunity, because vitamin C plays a very important role to increase our immunity. And look at the pictures. Vegetables that are rich of vitamin C. Thank you. I hope the points are clear to you. If my points are clear, then write down in the chat box. Yes, good. और बेटा सिर्फ सुनना ही नहीं है, ये पॉइंट्स को आपने फॉलो भी करना है. You have to follow all these points. Fine. So let's start revision of chapter number 3. Yes. My first concept is prime numbers and composite numbers. So note down each and every point side by side in your rough notebook. Prime numbers. Prime numbers are those numbers which have only two factors. Only two factors. Only two factors. 1 and number itself. So this is the concept of prime numbers, जिसके बेटा सिर्फ two factors होते हैं. That is divisible by 1 and number itself is known as prime numbers. And 2 is the first prime number. First prime number is first prime number is 2, or you can say this is the smallest prime number. This is the smallest prime number. And next 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17 and 19 and so on. So if the question is of prime numbers, then prime numbers are those numbers which have only two factors, 1 and number itself. So first prime number, smallest prime number is 2. This is the first prime number. 2 is the smallest prime number. Next is composite numbers. The next concept is of composite numbers. The definition of this composite number is different to the prime numbers. Prime numbers के कितने factors होते हैं? 2. और composite numbers के more than 2 factors. So more than 2 factors. So number which is divisible by 1, which is divisible by number itself, and which is divisible by another number also. So the smallest composite number is is 4, because 4 is divisible by 1, divisible by itself, and divisible by 2 also. Divisible by 2. So सो थ्री फैक्टर्स, देखो इसके थ्री फैक्टर्स हैं, वन भी है, इटसेल्फ भी है, और ये टू से भी डिवाइड होता है. सो मोर देन टू फैक्टर्स, these kind of numbers are known as composite numbers. बेटा आपने ऑब्जर्व किया, मैंने वन किसी में भी नहीं लिखा, मैंने वन को प्राइम में भी कंसीडर नहीं किया, वन को कॉम्पोजिट में भी नहीं कंसीडर किया. सो यू विल राइट वन इज neither a prime nor a composite number. Note down. One is neither a prime nor a composite number. So this is the concept of prime numbers and composite numbers. Come to the next. Next is perfect number. How to check that given number is a perfect number or not? Now, my question is, check that 6 is a perfect number or no? This is my question. Check that 6 is a perfect number or no. So, step number 1. Step number 1. Step number 1 is write the factors of 6. Write the factors of 6, excluding 6, except 6. Except 6 means नंबर को आपने कंसीडर नहीं करना. ठीक है, आपने 6 किस किस टेबल में आता है सारे लिखने हैं, बट 6 का टेबल नहीं यहाँ पे लिखना. फाइन. नाउ 6 कौन से टेबल पे आता है? 1 पे, 2 पे, 3 पे. फाइन. सो राइट द फैक्टर्स ऑफ 6. 6 पे भी आता है, बट एक्सेप्ट 6, एक्सेप्ट नंबर, ये नंबर आपने नहीं लिखना. नाउ स्टेप नंबर 2, add 1 plus 2 plus 3, 6. So this is given number. ये देखो आपको फिर से 6 मिला. This is given number. This is given number. So we can say 6 is a perfect number. 6 is a perfect number. So यहाँ पे बेटा आप 6 भी ले सकते हो. अगर आपने यहाँ पे 6 लेना है, सेकंड मेथड भी है. अगर आपने 6 को भी इधर इंक्लूड करना है, दोनों मेथड है. ठीक है. स्टेप नंबर 2, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 6. तो फिर आपको यहाँ इसकी डिवीजन करनी पड़ेगी ये गिवन नंबर से. 6 2s are 12, रिमाइंडर 0, रिमाइंडर 0. So 6 is a perfect number. So both the methods are correct. दोनों में से कोई भी मेथड आप ऑप्ट कर सकते हो. चाहे गिवन नंबर तक जाओ, चाहे गिवन नंबर को छोड़ दो, मत जाओ. बिकॉज अगर आप गिवन नंबर तक जाओगे तो आपको ये फिर यहाँ पे डिवीजन करके दिखानी है. दिस डिवीजन इज कंपल्सरी. अगर आप नहीं जाते गिवन नंबर तक तो फिर आपको डिवीजन करने की जरूरत ही नहीं होगी, आपके पास सीधा ये आंसर आ जाएगा. Now let's take one more example. Check that 32 is a perfect number or no. Step number 1. Students, write down in the chat box what is your first step. What is the first step? What is the first step? Very good. Arjun. Arjun, unmute yourself, beta. Bani. Bani, are you hearing me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Bani, tell me what is the first step?
Ma'am, write factors of 32.
Write factors of 32. Now tell me the factors of 32.
1,
1,
2,
2,
4,
4. 2 को किससे मल्टीप्लाई करने से आपको 32 मिला बेटा? 2 को कौन से नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करने से आपको 32 मिल रहा है? You will multiply 2 with what number? You will get 32. डिवाइड करके देख लो
16.
ना, डिवाइड करके देख लो 32 को 2 से,
16.
2 1s are 2, 6 are 16. It means 2 16s are 32. 2 16s are 32. It means 16 भी तो इसका फैक्टर हुआ ना. 4 8s are 32. तो 8 भी फैक्टर हुआ ना इसका. ये सारे फैक्टर है 1 2 4 16 और 8. और मैंने आपको बोला है अवॉइड 32 itself. अवॉइड 32 itself को यहाँ पे मत लिखो. नाउ व्हाट इज द स्टेप नंबर 2?
Add the factors.
1 plus 2 plus 4 plus 16 plus 8. Tell me, after addition, what is the result? Tell me. Yes.
31.
Have. Tell me, Bani.
31.
Yes.
Ma'am,
30.
ma'am, 31.
Yes. Which is not equal to the given number. Not equal to the given number. So नंबर था आपका 32. यहाँ पे आपके पास क्या आया 31. So you will write 32 is not a perfect number. So write factors of 32 except 32. प्रेफर करो 32 को, खुद अवॉइड करो. ठीक है. So write down all the factors. Add 31. This is not equal to the given number because the given number is 32. So this number is not a perfect number. Very good. Good efforts. Now come to the next. Next is twin primes. Twin primes. Twin. Twin word is used for two. It means two primes. Twin word is used for two primes. So two numbers, two prime numbers, not only numbers. Two numbers in which you will observe difference of two. So two prime numbers, two prime numbers with the difference of two. Difference of two are called twin primes. बेटा ट्विन का मीनिंग ही टू होता है. ट्विन टू कौन से नंबर? प्राइम नंबर्स जिनका डिफरेंस भी क्या आएगा? टू. डिफरेंस मीन्स सब्ट्रैक्शन. व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ डिफरेंस? डिफरेंस मीन्स आफ्टर सब्ट्रैक्शन. Now tell me, write down in the chat box one pair which is twin prime. Tell me one pair of, very good Harshia, Suhana, well done. Yes, Bani, well done. So 3 along with 5. Look, 3 is a prime number, 5 is a prime number. Check the gap. 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. So this is twin prime pair of, this is one of the pair of twin primes. One more you have, 5, 7. Look, 5 is a prime number, 7 is a prime number. And check the difference. 7 minus 5 is equal to 2. So this is the concept of twin primes. So twin primes, two primes in which you will observe the difference of two are called twin primes numbers. Fine. Come to the next. If I am talking about 2, then 2 is even number as well as prime number. Two is an even number as well as a prime number. 2 is only a prime which is even also. बेटा बाकी सारे के सारे प्राइम नंबर्स ऑड है. रेस्ट ऑफ द प्राइम नंबर्स आर, रेस्ट ऑफ द प्राइम नंबर्स आर ऑड. Now Kanav,
Yes, ma'am.
what are even numbers?
Ma'am, the numbers that are divisible by 2.
Very good. Even numbers are those numbers that are divisible by
2.
And what are odd numbers?
Odd numbers.
Yes.
The numbers
Oh,
that are
odd
not
numbers.
divisible by 2.
That are
The numbers that are not divisible by 2.
Very good. That are not divisible by 2. Not divisible by 2. So this is the definition of even number and odd numbers. Even numbers are those numbers that are divisible by 2 and odd numbers are those numbers that are not divisible by 2. So 2 is only an even number which is prime also. Remaining all the prime numbers are odd. सारे के सारे prime number odd है. If I am talking about 3, 3 is prime as well as odd number because this is not divisible by 2. If I am talking about 5, then 5 is odd number as well as prime number. 2 is only prime which is even also. This concept is very very important. बेटा ये छोटे छोटे पॉइंट्स बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है क्योंकि इनके बेस पे ही आपको एमसीक्यूज फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स ट्रू फॉल्स आते हैं. फाइन. So observe very very carefully. Fine. Now come to the next. Next concept is find the highest common factor of find the highest common factor of 6, 15 and 18. Now tell me. Yes Nitya, tell me beta.
मैम मैंने वो परफेक्ट नंबर के बारे में पूछना था मैम, मुझे वो समझ नहीं आया.
बेटा परफेक्ट नंबर होता है वो परफेक्ट नंबर. इसके लिए स्टेप्स है. जैसे मैं 6 की बात करूं तो स्टेप नंबर 1 क्या है, आपने इसके फैक्टर्स लिखने हैं. बताओ मुझे इसके क्या फैक्टर्स हैं. टेल मी व्हाट आर द
1
फैक्टर्स ऑफ 6. बोलो.
1
वेरी गुड. 1. बेटा 6 किस किस टेबल में डिवाइड होता है, टेल मी. उसी को फैक्टर बोलते हैं.
मैम 2 3.
हाँ 2 3. और मैंने बोला है इसको खुद को अवॉइड करो, खुद को इसको मत लो, अवॉइड करो, है ना. नाउ स्टेप नंबर 2. फैक्टर का मतलब होता है ये किससे डिवाइड हो रहा है. फैक्टर किसको बोलते हैं. फैक्टर मींस इसको कौन कौन डिवाइड करेगा वो इसका फैक्टर होगा. स्टेप नंबर 2 में आपने इनको प्लस कर देना. 1 + 2 + 3. ये क्या आया, गिवन नंबर
6.
अगर तो ये प्लस करके आपको गिवन नंबर मिलेगा देन यू विल से दिस इज अ परफेक्ट नंबर. अगर नहीं मिलेगा तो यू विल से दिस इज नॉट अ परफेक्ट नंबर. ये हमेशा सेम आना चाहिए. अगर सेम आएगा तो दिस इज अ परफेक्ट नंबर, अगर सेम नहीं आएगा तो दिस इज नॉट अ परफेक्ट नंबर. फाइन.
ओके.
So this is the concept of perfect number. Next is find the HCF, highest common factor of 6, 15 and 18. Look, first of all we will find out the prime factorization of 6, 15 and 18. So like this. This method is known as prime factorization method. First of all, division by 2, 3, then division by 3. So, next, prime factorization of this 15. Next, the prime factorization of this 18. Like this. So, prime factorization of 6 will give you 2 multiplied by 3. Prime factorization of 15 will give you 3 multiplied by 5. And prime factorization of 18 will give you 2 multiply 3 multiply 3. Now tell me. Yes, Bhavya, you can apply division method also, your wish. Either apply this prime factorization method or division method, both are correct. Okay, now check. कोई नंबर है ऐसा जो आपको 3 के 3 नंबर्स में ऑब्जर्व हो रहा है? Look, 3, 3, 3. Check 3. This 3 also. Look. So in the end you will write highest common factor is equal to 3. बेटा ऐसा नहीं है भी आप कहोगे ये 2 भी है. No. 3 numbers are given. It means the factor must present in all the 3 numbers. तीनों में होना चाहिए. देखो यहाँ पे 3, 3, 3. So 3 is the highest common factor. And what is the name of this method? The name of this method is prime factorization method. Either use this method or division method, your wish. Now come to the next. Division method. Okay. डिवीजन मेथड में बेटा डिवाइड करते हैं. फर्स्ट 2 नंबर्स को करो पहले. 6 2s are 12. 3. Now continue the division like this. 3 2s are 6. Remainder 0. Next number is 18. नाउ यहाँ पे आपकी डिवीजन एंड कहाँ पे हो रही है? 3 पे. ये डिवीजन आपकी एंड कहाँ पे हुई? 3 पे. तो नेक्स्ट डिवीजन आप ये 3 से कंटिन्यू करोगे. 3 6 are 18. रिमाइंडर 0 किससे? 3 से. सो 3 इज द हाईएस्ट कॉमन फैक्टर. ये तो आपने मुझे लगता है छोटी क्लासेस में भी किया हुआ है ना. हाईएस्ट कॉमन फैक्टर बाय द डिवीजन मेथड और बाय द प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन मेथड. यस. So apply any method your wish. यहाँ पे आपका 3 आया तो 3 के साथ आपने डिवीजन ये 6 की कंटिन्यू करनी है. Then so there will be no difference. Use any method. Next is find LCM of. Next concept is find the LCM 20, 60 and 90. For LCM, prefer common division method. Common division. Common division method. Common means put all the numbers together like this. Like this. For HCF, prefer prime factorization method in which you will find out the prime factors of each and every number separately. But during LCM, prefer this common division method in which you will put all the numbers together. So first division by 2, 10, 30, 45. Next division by again 2, 5, 15, 45. Because this 45 is not divisible by 2. So write 45 as it is. Next, division by 3. 5, 5, 15. Next by 3, 5, 5, 5 and in the end by 5. So like this. और one more thing बेटा, जरूरी नहीं है आपने 2 से ही स्टार्ट करना है. Start with any number. अगर आपने पहले 5 से स्टार्ट करना है तो you can start with 5. If you want to start with 3 then you can start with 3. ये कोई कंपल्शन नहीं है भी 2 से ही स्टार्टिंग होगी. Your wish. Start division with any number, either with 5 or with 3 or with 2. Fine. Now in the end, to find the least common multiple, you will multiply all the numbers. Now tell me the result. One hundred 80. Yes. So this is the result 180. So for HCF, prefer prime factorization method, and for LCM, prefer common division method, in which you will put all the numbers together. Write down. Now come to the next question. Find the prime factors of 1729. Start finding the prime factors of 1729. Prime factors. So, to find prime factors, we will apply prime factorization method like this. So, 1729. Now tell me, this is divisible by what? Find the prime factors of 1729. 1729 is divisible by what? Very good, Prerna. This is divisible by 7. And you will get 247. Check. 1729 divisible by 7. 7 2s are 14. 7 4s are 28. Then 7 7s are 49. So 247. Next, 247 is divisible by 13. Pavandeep, not by 3, by 13. And you will get 19. 247 is divisible by 13, not by 3. So again, 19 is a prime number. So last division by 19. So you will write prime factors of 1729 is equal to